Universal Search helps you quickly find content stored on your NAS. Press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac systems to open Universal Search. You can also click the search icon in the upper right corner of the desktop. Enter a keyword to quickly find related content. Before using Universal Search, configure the search settings first. Method 1. Open Universal Search and enter a keyword to display the search results. Then click the settings icon on the results page to configure the search settings. Method 2. Open the control panel on your NAS, access the index service and find Universal Search, and click Search Settings on the right to configure the search settings. After enabling indexing service, the system builds search indexes for your files, allowing them to be found by Universal Search and significantly improving file management and search efficiency. File name search is the foundation of all indexing features and is used to search file names. This feature cannot be disabled independently and is always enabled or disabled together with indexing service. Content search supports common document formats. The system indexes document content, allowing you to search for text within documents. After document semantic search is enabled, the system builds semantic indexes that understand the meaning of your documents. This allows you to find semantically related content even when different keywords are used. If your search results seem incomplete, you can choose to rebuild index. The system excludes the recycle bin and certain hidden system directories from indexing.
If you want to exclude specific folders so that their contents do not appear in search results, you can add them to the excluded path. Click Add, then select Personal Folders, Shared Folders, or User Folders to browse. Select the target folder and click Add. Folders added to the excluded path list will not be indexed, and the files they contain will not appear in search results. On the application page, you can choose which apps are included in Universal Search. For example, if you don't want content from the Photos app to appear in search results, turn off the search toggle for Photos on this page. Once disabled, content from that app will no longer appear in Universal Search results. After configuring indexing service and the search scope, enter a keyword to search all content stored on your NAS. Filter search results by category. Category tabs are available at the top of the search results page. Click a tab to narrow the search scope. Results are ranked based on a combination of title, content, tags, and semantic relevance. The best match appears at the top, and matching keywords are highlighted. Double-click a search result to open the corresponding file, folder, or other item directly. Click More to access additional actions, such as opening the file, locating it in its storage folder, or downloading it. You can also use the Yulia AI assistant with individual files to search document content, generate intelligent summaries, and translate documents.